Hi Smudgers. It's Sunday. I know I'm supposed to film on Friday, but if you can't tell by my voice, I am a little bit sick. A lot sick. Christina, I blame you for giving me your sickness. Yesterday, couldn't film because I worked most of the day. Friday was a YouTube gathering, so I went to that, and I didn't really get a lot of footage. I got one thing though. So yeah, that was all the footage that I got from that, but it was still pretty cool. Someone that's visiting me for the next few days from Edmonton, David, he's a really good musician. I'll put a link to one of his videos in the sidebar. Check it out, he's got a great voice. Yeah, he would be in this video, but he's out doing something right now. I'm just gonna answer the questions really quickly. Telephone video, I liked it. Up until the third item of massive product placement. That's one thing that really distracted me, and I was just really thrown off by it, and I really disliked it because of that. All the dance scenes were good, whatever, but I don't know, I'm someone who notices that, and I didn't really like it. Also, the whole Jaffa Cake thing, I still don't understand that, because what kind of cookies do you eat? When I eat cookies and I leave them out on the table, the cookies get stale and hard. Okay, I have a list of everyone's jobs. Fraser, I said you would be an explorer. Shona, I said you would be a bee farmer, only because you're busy like a bee. Christina, I said you would be like a host. I could see you introducing shows and being a host of a show. Lauren, I said you would be a house mom. I think that's a sorority thing. And Josh, I think you'd be an official playlist maker. I could see you being a playlist maker. By the way, why am I a Mountie exactly? Do you guys even know what the RCMP does? Just saying. Fraser, I will see you tomorrow, and hopefully I feel better by Friday. Okay, bye guys.